Introducing the ERStudio AI Model Builder. We've introduced a new feature to ERStudio that uses a large language model to generate a logical data model from some requirements text. The ERStudio design process will allow data architects to take some requirements from the business and manually draw a logical data model. And the logical data model then forms the contract for the data asset, and ERStudio can then generate a physical model from that logical model and then generate code. So the AI model builder really speeds up the first part of the process. So let's take a look. So here in Data Architect, I can create a new model, and I've got my usual options of drawing one from scratch, reverse engineering from an existing database, or importing some code. We've got a new option now to generate using AI. So the user interface allows you to enter a block of text, which you might copy from a requirements document or a transcript from a meeting. You can see in our example here, we're going to design a human resources training database, and we're giving it some basic information. So Data Architect will connect to the ERStudio server, which will then in turn connect to a private GPT-4 instance and create. None of the information that you provide is used for training the AI and is forgotten after the generation run occurs. So here you can see the model that we've generated from the text. So the AI has pulled out all of the logical entities from the information that was given. It's added in primary keys and attributes where appropriate. It's also created relationships, and it's done some really useful things. So here, for instance, we've got two relationships here. We've got the manager of the department and then the assistant manager of the department as provided in the text. And if we open up the lines, it's provided role names for us. So we've got manager ID and then assistant manager ID. The AI can be really useful, and it can suggest extra information to put into the model. You can actually provide a statement in your text, such as use only the information I've given you, or you can ask it to suggest extra data. As you can see here, I've got extra attributes. So ERStudio's AI model builder, this is really useful for experienced users of the tool. It's going to accelerate the creation of your data models. It'll save you a lot of time taking blocks of text and creating a first cut logical data model. For newer users, it gives you guidance on how to create models. So it's always easier to look at an existing model than start from scratch. And it's also helpful in it provides suggestions based on public domain knowledge. For more information, scan the QR code or contact us at sales@idera.com. Thanks for watching.